Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 7 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to add in more fixtures, furniture, and we added the room tags. Here we're going to continue working on this, and we're going to start by adding the floor for the second floor. So here we're going to click on floor, and then here let's use floor number, we're going to create another one, floor number 3. So we're going to duplicate this. It will be floor number 3, edit, and let's change this to a different material. So let's do concrete lightweight. Press OK, and then OK. And then here, what we're going to do is we're going to use pick line. We're going to the inside of this, but later on we're going to extend this. So for now, and we're also going to clean this up. We just need to go to the perimeter from the inside of the wall. So now let's press escape, type in TR, that's trim and extend, which is this icon. And we just need to clean up all the edge. So this one looks nice. Press escape. We're going to extend this around 1500, and then here as well 1500. So click finish and then don't attach. I want to see it on our 3D. So that looks nice. Next thing we're gonna do is we're going to add in, so probably for this one we might change this to 1000. So later on we're gonna figure that out. So next is we're going to add in the roof. So what we could do is we could go to level 2, and then once we click roof, click on edit type first and duplicate. This will be our roof 1. Press OK. Click on edit. Change the thickness to 200. And then change this to a different. So let's use this one for now. Press OK and then OK. Base level, we're going to change it to level 3. We're just going to use the underlay of level 2 so that we can see it better. Or else we need to go to level 3 and then change the view range. So I rather just do it like this. Here we're going to go from the inside again. But I'm going to undo what I did because we need to uncheck this define slope because we want a flat roof. And also negative 200. negative 200 because that's the thickness of our roof and I want it to be flat. So now we need to do the same thing what we did to the floor, which is selecting the inner of the wall. Okay, press escape, type in TR. Okay, so once you're ready or finish, click on finish, save the project, and let's look at it at 3D. So press escape. As you can see, everything looks good. It's flat there. Next thing we need to do is we need to hide this. So what you have to do is you have to select each and every one that is protruding. So you can hold on control so that you could select multiple. And then once you select that, click on this, attach top and base. And then after that, after you select that, you need to select the roof and it will disappear. So now we need to do it again. Select this and then select the roof and it will disappear. So now everything is looking good. What we could do now is we need to add in our windows. So let's go and add in our windows. Let's go to level 1 first. And then here we need to add the window right here. So what we're going to use is we're going to click on wall, but here we need to click on the drop down and then we're going to use curtain wall. So you want to make sure up to level 2. So here we're going to add in the wall right here. I want it to be from the inside, so it will look like this. Then again, let's add in on this side and then on this side. I want to flip this so that it will be more on this side. And don't worry about the sound. That's basically letting you know that this is still not being seen or being cut. Again, let's add this right here. Click spacebar so that it will flip, and then here as well. I want to add it here. Flip it again. I want to add it here, only on this spot. And then on the office, we could add it here. Flip it. We might add it here as well later on. For the garage, maybe I'm just gonna leave it like this, or I could add in a window above only, so we could change the height later on. So I'm gonna flip it like that. Next, we're gonna click on cut geometry. So you need to click the wall first. You need to go to modify again. Okay. And now that we're done, let's go to 3D so that we can set up the height. I'm just gonna pull this down like that. On your 3D, if you notice it's not showing the doorknob, you want to make sure that you're in fine so that it shows. And also that's very important once you're sending it to Twinmotion. Let's copy the height like that. And then here as well. For here, only the height will be changed. We're gonna add in a door there. I want it to be consistent, that's why I'm using a line. And then here, we just need to move it above. I just want to show some sunlight there. So that's good. Let's go to our second floor or level 2. And there, let's add in our windows. So same thing, architecture, click on walls. And then here, let's add it on all of this side. We might change this to up to here. So I'm gonna edit the boundary and click on here and then put a line. Let's use trim. So just about there. and click finish and don't attach. I did this for a design reason, so I'm gonna show you why I did it later on. Let's add in the curtain wall. I want to add it right here as well. I forgot to add it here for the stairs, so we're gonna go to the stairs later on and delete that. For the bedroom, let's add it on this side as well. And then here. Let's add it here. And then let's add right here. So now let's go to modify and cut geometry. Okay, let's go to 3D. And here I'm just going to drop this one. And then I'm gonna cut geometry. Okay. Obviously, we're gonna set this down. AL. The height of that. We need to edit the stairs area. And then here, basically just changing the height like that. You will want to make it consistent with this height. And then let's pull this up like that. Now let's just copy the height first. And then let's align everything. So I'm gonna align it like that. I want to be consistent. Align here. And then let's copy this one as well. And then let's align on this side. and then here only the top. This will be all glass. Okay. I will want to add in a glass similar to this on this area. So let's go to level 1 and then let's add in the glass. CS. Let's move this one back a little. And then let's cut geometry. And let's go back to 3D and extend this. Let's cut this first so that we can see it better. And let's align it at the top. Okay, it looks good. Maybe we could remove the wall. So I'm just gonna extend this as much as I can in order to remove all the walls. I'm gonna align this. So you cannot align it, so I'm just gonna use my arrow. Okay. And then now we could just extend it. So that looks nice. We might edit this more. So let's go to level 2. I'm just gonna edit the boundary again. I'm gonna align it right about here. Click finish, don't attach. And then I'm gonna align this below. And move it a little bit. One thousand. Don't attach. So now it's looking good. I just want this to be to look nicer. I'm just moving it a little bit. Okay. And let's open or make openings here. So we need to edit, and then I'm just gonna open this up. So AL, I want to align it here, align it to the wall, like that. Let's trim this. And then let's click finish, don't attach. So that is done. We need to change this as well. So edit boundary, and we just need this area. Let's delete this, align to the wall, and then trim, and then trim here, and we need to delete this. Click finish, don't attach. And then we can see here that everything is good. So top offset, -200. So I'm just having a problem with this for some reason. I'm just gonna undo it for now because I got 14 stairs. for desired number 240, and it's showing me -100. So let me figure that out. It's changing again because you need to put 14 back. Because of that, it's not something that it's gonna be shown, or it's not something that you could see, but it's just irritating. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in the curtain grid. So we're gonna divide this by 3. This one by 3 as well. I'm gonna undo that. I'm gonna divide it by 4. And then I'm gonna align it. AL. So I just want to make sure that that's aligned. And then curtain grid again. And then 4 again here. $600, and then go to divide them. I want it to be segmented differently. So one segment, so we could align this. Okay, so that's the design for that. For the rest, it's just maybe simple grid. maybe 300 at the top and 300 at the bottom. Here, let's add in 300 at the top and 300 at the bottom. And let's divide it. And then here, let's move this one 300. And let's add in the one at the bottom. Okay. And then now let's add in the mullion. I want it to be all grid, and I want to change it to the 30 square. So just start clicking at all of them. Don't worry about this. We're gonna add in a curtain grid here at the top, 300 as well. And let's just add in the same mullion. For here, let's add in the curtain grid, but I want it to be horizontal only. Okay, we're going to copy whatever we did on the other side. Okay, so I'm gonna use align. And then we need to add curtain grid here as well. We could delete this and then add here. So here I think we need to change this. So I'm gonna delete this for now and redo this. Okay, so that's good. And that's good. Now let's go and add mullion. For now, let's add this individually. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna undo this. I'm gonna add on all, and then I'm gonna delete it. So I want it to be deleted on the corner. So use your tab in order to um, to select. I just flipped that because I noticed that it's not showing. So now I could move this one at the end. So that looks good. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do that. And try to connect them. There we go. That's good enough. So let's stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.